Hi everyone, I want to explain some explanation about the project structure and MVC panels. So first of all, I want to explain about the model controller. Yeah, there was we can see that the model is like a person. You know, I mean that the model that will be like the model I will like to input in database, yeah, database manager, and the person, yeah, model with the person and database, yeah, this was the model, yeah, database, I mean, yeah, that one, database manager and the person, yeah, you see that the model, oh sorry, this one, yeah, the model and the person here. Yeah, the person is the model and the database manager is also the model, because we see the handle or the data that the data or the product sheets. Yeah. So right now we speaking about the classes and exclusions. So what is the classes? So I like that the class is a car Java, car, yeah, and vehicle, yeah. These the classes I make. Yeah, I create the code. Yeah, the classes and vehicle and also motorcycle. Yeah, motorcycle also. But the first is I like to I want to put more something else. Will be like class and exclusion will be the person. Yeah, the person and the car. But now we can say that, yeah, the person and the car. The person, yeah, the person, the class, yeah, this one is classes, and also the car, yeah, also the car, yeah. So the class is one. So after that, this one the classes, and then now we can go to heritage, abstract classes, and interface. Okay. So in we made that one who I want to say about that. So the first is vehicle. Yeah, vehicle is probably a class, yeah, it's abstract classes. Yeah, like heritage. Yeah, so there's one vehicle and also vehicle is also abstract abstract class. Sorry, abstract class, and also. So first is I want to say that class is a car and a person. Yeah, the car, the car, classes and excavations. Excavation is a car and person. Yeah, that one. You see, there's a writing this name of the area. So the heritage and atlas classes and interface. So we see the vehicles and also vehicles and a car, yeah, and motorcycle, yeah, motorcycle. They also private atlas with heritage atlas and interface. Yeah, that one. You see, yeah. That one also. Yeah, this one. Yeah, and then we and also the driver. Yeah, the driver also will be interface. This interface, the driver is here. Yeah, this driver is an interface, and atlas is vehicles and motorcycle is also public atlas. Yeah. So now we're going to point for me. Point for me is we say the some about have the multiply add method with the same different parameter. Yeah, that ones will be see the about add yeah, you know, point demo, right? This one, yeah, this about the point profit. Yeah, this one, the class of this is the point profit. We made it, we sample the add, yeah, add this one, we add interface a, yeah, this one be, yeah, this one we say that we can call about yeah, about point 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 morphic demo. Yeah, this one. So that was point for point for demo, and then we're going to the database integrations. Okay, guys, so we will see the let me see, I so we that one. So after that we're going to the database, so we can see the database manager. Yeah, this is the database. Yeah, the database we create for the every step. Yeah. About the handles about iterations and memories, this create, read, update, delete operations. Yeah, this one. Yeah, about the database integration. Yeah, about create, read, update, delete. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one's for the database manager. Yeah, this one will become about how to see the interface about the handle about the interaction. So after that we can see them, we can see the comma about many things we see cover about it. Yeah, so after that we see the correct quantities, you know, that's one, we make this about the, yeah, so we can see that, so we can run, yeah, main of the application Java. Yeah, we can run, then this of almost about, yeah, you see this one we can type the concepts about the, yeah, main application concept in heritage point for view, that one, and then point for feed demo. Yeah, and database integrations, and yeah, create it, and yeah, that one, update and delete, this one we put in the main of the things demonstrate about it, and then now we can run, so we can see the result about it. Wait, alright, it's already run. So guys, this one, yeah, you see, we already make that we already rounded, and as you see, this one, you know what, this one is for the, yeah, interface, I mean the classes, right? The classes will be concept about the classes. Yeah, the classes about the model. Yeah, classes and situations. So yeah, and this Toyota staff engine we call about the, yeah, the heritage, this one heritage and fast classes and interface, and this one, yeah, point for view. Yeah, point for view about the add about, yeah, the point for view. Yeah, this one point for view, and yeah, this one point for view. Yeah, this one is point for view. Yeah, and this one database, you see the database. Yeah, or and the database, you see this one database. Yeah, and then the about the error. Yeah, the error handy, he see the error and is divided by the zero obtain this, and error handy demonstrate complete. Yeah, that one. Yeah, okay, this one about, yeah, so this one we talk about the project. in this explanation. So the mistake about the, yeah, integrations and projects with the orientation, yeah, that's once. So this, I think that's all. Yeah, thank you guys for the opinion. Well, now we go to the next step. Okay. So everyone, first as all, I like to continue the project. First, about the project idea. My idea project was talk about the alphamat stock management. Yeah, stock market alphamat, like that one. Yeah, we input about the stock market like alphamat, we which like about the categories and transitions and product, that one. Yeah. So guys, let's start in. First is all I like to talk about that one is for the model. Yeah, the model. Yeah, the model initiatives. The model initiative from the starting from the database that we made that. Yeah, from the database. Yeah. Do you know where should be a support to be asking about that? The initiative have to be uh, about that one, like the model. Yeah, that one. And then that one, after that you interface the class. Yeah, you know the class after, I mean after that ones. Yeah, this one should be supposed to be interface. Yeah, and the category, that one. Yeah, this one, the category for the model in like demonstrate about the uh esculturations, heritage, and also that one. Yeah, that's one, yeah, heritage. Yeah, that's one you should be know about that one. Yeah, esculturating about, yeah, that one. es, esculturations, and this one about esculturations. And after you have to be after, yeah, after that one. You implement about interface about that one. Yeah, in the class that you will display. And yeah, and that's also, yeah, this heritage in the, yeah, you know, that's from that implementation about that heritage product, that should be, yeah, that one. Yeah, for from that, yeah, Afama stock market, and yeah, that one you should be know about that. And going about initiative to be solved, this one's kind how to you should know about more important, that's the products when you're in a format category, the price, and this about the classes, properties, calculations. In, yeah, this also saying, yeah, this also saying, this one. Yeah, I see that. Oh yeah, this one polymorphics. Yeah, this one polymorphic. You have to know this kind, just how to add, know about that. Yeah, this are from the create about it. Yeah, in virtual. Yeah, virtual, that's one virtual the environment. So that's category. This one category we talk about pour the into the product, about the, yeah, the product into the status. Oh no, sorry, not status, about the group. Yeah, and the supply. This is supply from that escalation heritage and, yeah, composition partner. There's also want to be about manage about the product. When you see the product, about the property, the other product, just keep on more moving. And yeah, yeah, this one heritage, this one in, and then for the transition I will explain transition for yeah, translation, stop translations. You have to, when you order product from the some company unknown product in a format, you will get some translations. Yeah. Okay, the user SQL is about the cost for the model. Scan up, yeah, that one. We see the access there from the user when they want to order, right? That's about the product category they want to choose. Yeah, be the one. Yeah, this should be like example. This one category catch agitations. Catch agitations is like kind about evaluation, like about the data they will be in the method category is supply. Yeah, that's one also. And then we go to heritage. You already know about heritage, about the bets, about the class. So class, how many class we have? We have product, category, supply, and store transitions. That's one about the classes that we know that about that heritage. Yeah, heritage. So you know that some, yeah. So about the polymorphy have instantiation. You can see instantiations there. Should be C. Yeah, about the method overload, about the type. Yeah, this one. You see many of type that we should this. This one we can call about the polymorphy, about type or the transitions, about we should be choose that one. Yeah, polymorphy in the type about the, yeah. So that stations, yeah, after bets about the classes, bet about the classes that you do. Yeah, bet the classes, yeah, the classes you have choose. Yeah, you know so how many classes I have about the category, product, stock transitions, and supplier. That's one about the classes it has. Yeah. And then the router that's about the hero, the hero Andy. Yeah, the hero admin. Yeah, that's one about. You see the times when the category about stock market supplies for the production, we be see the how to integration, right? How to integration um the correct one about delay rate. That one should be to asking that about. That one should be like almost integration testing API, right? API at point. I will see the at point API. Actually, we can see the API in here. I will see. That one. API. That's what we can see. API. This one was API. About API was so. Let me see the API. Not that one. Yeah, that one I mean. When you API, when you get about the, yeah, that one API. Context about the supply, you when you want to add, you want to delete. Yeah, yeah, you want to update it. This one which say the API when you want to get about that, and when you want to contact this one. Yeah, there was API want to delete date. Okay, this was your API at point. So that's why after that we can see integration, yeah, integration down. So next we see the how the get how deployment, you know, deployment. So basically we already spoke about the classes about that one, guys, that well. So what should we do now? After that we can we want to run that, because after that we already see the, oh yeah, forgot. If you want to see database, this database I was made the from the, yeah, there was database. Let me see the database. Looking at, yeah, there was the database. Yeah, there was the database that I already make that in Debbie Maria. I don't know what's wrong with this. Yeah, something wrong with these applications. And then we see that this was what from database. Yeah. After that, you see the SO2 about the integration database. Yeah, this was integration database. That's about that. So now we can see the code or the qualities, bets or partitions. So bets about principle you have to know. Um, you have to implement that once. So you have to be a part, for example, this one, my project, like alphabet. You have to review more. You need to view about the code, how to implement things about this one. So the great about that, about the error ND. Yeah, I already see the error, the ND. Mm-hmm. And that one, this was the error there from the router. Yeah, this the router which the error one. I mean the port, what we can say, the comment, yeah, the comments about the coder when you use framework, that one. Yeah, from the, because that's about the classes, right? Based about the other classes, and we also actually we put sheets, like sheets classes. We have category, product, stock transition, and supply and user. Actually we have 5 classes, yeah, in database. Yeah, I mean, sorry, in that, in the in the in the main, or the file, or the classes. Yeah. So now we're going to the do about with the maths, about some, we can explain about the logistics. Yeah, actually when the asset tools or the design, you have to make some query about the principal implementation. For example, about that, about the stock transitions, right? About the category, product, supplier, using, that's one the opinion that you have to make, think about the logica, how to see the implementation, how to see the query about the the principle in this project. That's one you have to see that. Yeah. So next, let's starting. I forgot to explain about, actually I was use the virtual environment. So I was made the requirement test. Yeah, to download and to implementation, this one. Yeah, that's why this one about the requirement tests I have to do. So now what we should do, we have to run, right? So we run in the main. So we run, yeah, this one we have to MC for the okay. After that we have to run, right? So we run now. I will run this one we have to run this. Okay, I run. Okay, you see, you see this one, the terminal, it was already not it's dot it was already deployment the server, right? Yeah, this already deployment the server. So actually we use the for the same SGIG, yeah, this one we use it for the instead, so we don't use don't use the for the deployment, yeah, but we already use the mod or the main, right? So it's already running, right, or the address is already running on the, so we can copy we can copy this one. We go into the new table to see the result or the page, because it's already running. Okay, let me see. I open, so I open here and run. Okay guys, wait, oh, I have MC this one. This not good. MC this one. MC another new page. If you're working, okay, we see this about the dashboard, about the result or the page or the application, the page or the alpha stock management. This one you see, this about the menu, dashboard, categories, supplies, product, transitions. You see, okay, example, when you want to see, you want to add the category about supplements. So for example, you want to go that one, I mean dashboard first, right? So that dashboard, so we go into category, yeah, this one, the category I already add in this category. I already add in category. It's almost the status this or the tablet or the category, the code name, the descriptions for the status in action, yeah. So we can supplements, yeah, that's one for. So now we have to add some supplements. For example, I want to add supplements, yeah, we can add, for example, we put the name about what should we do that, like for example, um I think I Coca-Cola, oh no, I what we can choose, shampoo or ice cream, yeah, I think, or maybe some like Indomie, like me got me said that, yeah. For example, we can said that, for example, we put soup 0 to right, and for example, just add whatever number you have. I can take this and email, like for example, oh sorry, that's not, like there's no product, like missed the indoor food, like what you can see, like, well, in the supplement we see like indoor food, like I think indoor food means indoor food, indoor food, right? So indoor food, some I don't know what kind that, and then for that company, like company and yeah, just for example in Jakarta I just mentioned, so we can put some credit like 0, oh sorry, I put in, and the payment will be date 10, yeah. Okay, we add, okay, this already, you see. Now we're going to the product, like, okay, I want to add some product name, for example, Misada, yeah, Misada, and the core product ID 02, barcode, whatever we see, discussion noodle. I put example noodle. Noodle. Sorry. Noodle. Category. For example, Insta food. Okay. So payment. Yeah. Code price. Example. I put like 5 unique dating and you know yeah that yeah okay yeah the price unique and day. For example, I just put today at 20 like I 4 7 M7. Oh, I forgot to stop market. Let me see. I 100 I need that one. So we can run. Okay, it's okay. Now transitions. Make some new transition. Start in funds number like whatever. Order me said that wait it's 10 unit cost I 14 not not very good like instant food instant food food by company processed by admin. Okay, done. So that's why about that you see. Okay, that's all guys. Oh yeah, I made sure that low stop the low stop here, and yeah, that's why. So guys, this was example of my presentation. Thank you. I hope you good. Thank you guys for today.